Hello friends, welcome to Delicious Harmonies with Marbles. Today we are going to see a soup recipe, pumpkin, honey and walnut soup. So let's begin with it. Red pumpkin 250 grams, olive oil 3 tablespoons, 1 medium size onion chopped, garlic 4 pods, vegetable stock 3 cups, dry oregano 1 teaspoon, honey 1 tablespoon, fresh cream 2 tablespoons, salt as required, black pepper powder half teaspoon, black sesame seeds roasted half teaspoon, walnut 10 grams, 2 sprigs of fresh coriander for garnish. The first step is to make the vegetable stock. For that, take 3 cups of water, 1 onion roughly chopped, half carrot roughly chopped, about 2 to 3 coriander stems, 3 to 4 black pepper corns, 1 bay leaf, and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. For those of you who are not aware what simmering is cooking at a temperature slightly below a boiling point, a gentle bubbling which comes up. Let's start with the soup process. Heat your kadai on a medium flame. Add olive oil. I'm going to keep some like 1 teaspoon of olive oil to drizzle on the soup at the end. Add your chopped onion. Saute it for about a minute or two. Add your garlic pods. I've little bit smashed up the garlic pods to get the juices out. Also saute it for a while. Let's add dry oregano now. Just stir it. The onions are also now translucent. And if you do have fresh thyme or fresh rosemary, you can use that as well. It will also taste better. The flavor would be very awesome. Let's add the pumpkins now. And cook it for a while with the oregano and the onions so that it gets nice and intense. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt to it. And now we are going to strain the stock and then add it to this mixture. I'm going to strain and it's already giving out some nice aroma. Now we have to cook the pumpkin until it is soft. There is one more way you can make this recipe. If you have an oven, you can roast the pumpkin, onions, garlic, fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary and drizzle it with olive oil. Roast it for around 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. No need to saute the ingredients if you are using the oven. Directly blend the roasted ingredients with the vegetable stock and you can then adjust the seasoning at the end. The pumpkins have become soft now. Now we'll turn off the gas and we will cool it down for a while and then blend it to a fine puree. We have blended this into a fine puree. Now on a low flame we are going to bring it to a soup consistency. So I'm going to add a little bit of more vegetable stock to it. to adjust the seasoning. We had added it initially, but it was very less. Little bit of black pepper powder. I'm going to add the honey as well now. You can also use the maple syrup instead of honey. The soup is almost done. Let me check it for seasoning for the one last time. Oh yes, perfect. The seasoning is perfect. So let's finish it with little bit of cream. I'm going to turn off the gas. After adding cream, the consistency is perfect. It's nice and rich, creamy. So let's serve it now. Let's do the presentation part. I've taken the soup in a soup bowl. Now let's finish it with our garnishes. I'm going to pop it up with some black sesame seeds, some chopped walnuts. It will give your soup a crunchiness. Coriander sprig, nice and fresh, and the olive oil to drizzle from top. Super nice and creamy. So let's taste it. It's really very flavorful. The crunchiness of the walnuts is balancing the creaminess of the soup, which is really very nice. Do try the recipe and give your feedback. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share. Thank you.